Okay, this is an update of the tank. I got my Fiji rocking. That's it right there. That, and this one over here. And I only got 22 pounds, so the rest are in here. Let's see, get the light on. There's a lot of rock in there. It won't all fit on the main display, so that's pretty much it. I have another 45 pounds of this rock coming in tomorrow. It's a mistake that Liveaquaria made. So that's fine with me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this rock out, just the ones that I don't really like. Like, for example, this rock. It's Fiji, but it's very boulder and I don't know, it's boring. So I'm gonna take that one out and add something that looks better. And I might replace some of this other rock that I have in here. Maybe this one. I don't know. We'll see what we get in that package tomorrow. As far as the rest of it goes, I'll have to donate it or try to get store credit for it from a local fish store. What I'll probably do is I'll take most of the rubble that's at the bottom of that package, and I'll end up throwing it in the sump just to get, you know, most of the life that's at the bottom into the aquarium. So that's pretty much it. Alright, tomorrow I'll probably make another video with the rest of it, or with whatever I choose to keep. I'm expecting this to start cycling here in the next week, so more ammonia. Alright, till next time.